In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a thank you page to a ClickFunnels funnel. This simple yet highly effective step can significantly enhance the experience for your customers or leads, leaving a lasting positive impression. So let's get started and create a smooth experience for your users. First things first, you need to log into your ClickFunnels account. Make sure you have all your credentials handy and navigate to the ClickFunnels website. Once you've logged in, we're going to head straight to your Sites and Funnels section. This is where you'll find all your existing funnels ready for editing and improvement. Locate the funnel you'd like to edit, the one you plan to add a thank you page to, and open it up. You'll notice various components and steps of your funnel laid out in front of you. We're going to insert a new step here. Look for the option that says plus add new step. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll need to give your new step an appropriate name, something clear and descriptive like thank you page. Next, let's choose the page type. From the available options, select Thank You Page. Alternatively, if you find a template you prefer, feel free to pick one that suits your style and the messaging you want to convey. Once you've made your choice, hit Create Funnel Step. Now it's time to customize this page to fit your needs. Click on Edit Page to start making it your own. This is your chance to express gratitude to your customer or lead, reinforcing the positive relationship you're building. Consider adding a personalized message that thanks them for their action, whether it was making a purchase, subscribing to a newsletter, or anything else. But don't stop there. Also, consider adding next steps for them to follow. This might be information about other related products, inviting them to join your community, or guiding them on how to make the most of their recent interaction with your site. The more you personalize and guide them, the more engaging the page will be. You can enhance the page with additional elements such as videos, which could be a short clip thanking them or explaining further actions. Buttons that link to further content. Downloads or even social media pages can also add depth. Customization is key to ensuring the page aligns with your brand's voice and approach. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, make sure to hit Save. It's always a good habit to save your work periodically to prevent any loss of progress. And with that, you're done. You've successfully added a thank you page to your ClickFunnels funnel. As you get more comfortable, you might find additional ways to optimize your thank you page, further enhancing the value it brings. This page is a powerful tool in guiding your customer's journey and reinforcing your message. Thank you for following along, and I hope this helps you make the most out of your ClickFunnels experience.